Today I'm sharing the recipe for these pancakes that are gluten-free, made without any grain or seed flours, and are purely protein-based. They're delicious and, as you'll see, super flexible. To make this recipe, we're going to use eggs, coconut milk, salt, cheese, cream, cassava starch, sauce, and coconut flour. Let's check the eggs. And we're going to start putting everything into a blender cup. Egg and 100 grams of coconut milk, a pinch of salt. I just add 2 like this. Now we're going to add the cream cheese, which is exactly 2 heaping tablespoons, about the size of the 2 eggs you added. I'll tell you in grams how much it is. About 100 grams of cream cheese. And now we're going to add the cassava starch, that's 2 heaping tablespoons. Which is 50 grams, and finally 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, which is about 25 grams. Now blend everything thoroughly until all lumps are gone, using a spoon if needed to mix well. The cassava starch sticks a bit to the sides, but we just scrape it off with a spatula and blend again. It needs to be really creamy. If we see that it's too thick, we add a little more milk, coconut milk or water. Then we heat up the pan we're going to use. Here I'm using a large one, but a smaller one is better. And we add a little bit of fat, lard, ghee or coconut oil. Then we pour in the batter. We shape it like a pancake. If you have a smaller pan, it's much easier, or a pancake pan also works. When we see that it starts to lift a little and the edges get a bit crispy, you can start to loosen it. Pan covered. Look how amazing they turn out. Look at what's inside. And we can fill it with whatever we like the most. It can be sweet or savory. For example, this recipe makes 4 to 5 large pancakes, which can also be used for lasagna.